How to get the repost button on TikTok on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can get the repost button on TikTok on your iPhone, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you actually want to get the repost button, what you had to do was you just had to go to the TikTok application here. Then once you come to the TikTok app, if you wanted to repost a specific video and then share them to your friends, you basically had to tap on this little arrow icon, and then here you'd be able to find the option called repost. However, let's say that you're not being able to find the repost option. There could be a couple of things that you can do from your side. The first thing you can try to do is simply open up settings, and then once you open up settings, you want to go to general. Then as you go to general, go to the option called iPhone storage, and then once you come to iPhone storage, look for the application called TikTok in this case. Then tap on the option called Offload App and then reinstall the application to see if that solves your problem. If it doesn't, then in that case what you might try to want to do is just go to your app store. Once you open up your app store, then in the search box you simply want to type in TikTok, and then once you type in TikTok over here, check if the TikTok app has an update, and if it does, then definitely make sure to update the app to the latest version. And hopefully this video helped you solve your problem on how you can get the repost button on TikTok app on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.